tell you that reaction from Shehu Garuba, or what do you call it, was barefooted and had no substance whatsoever. They should react to the issues that I raised on that matter, not just insulting me or castigating me for no reason. Everybody knows that Otom is a true Democrat. And I believe in the unity of our country. I've always said it. My symbol, which is the colors I take on, a clear indication that I believe in the unity of our country, Nigeria. I believe in Benue State, and we can work together. And as a born-again Christian, not just a Christian, I've always said that equity, fairness, and justice remain my watchwords. And this is what I've always stood for. And so I am going to react. And in the next few hours, you are going to get my response. And there is no going back. I stand with what I said on Channels Television. And if the presidency wants, let them come out and deny those. And I also challenge them to a debate. Let the president dominate anybody. I challenge them on those issues that I raised. I want to challenge them to come for a debate on Channels Television or any other media platform. And I'm ready to handle the matter. I have said the truth about those matters, so there is no cause for alarm.